P53 is an aluminium torch. Its tough and rigid design makes it perfect for outdoor activities and everyday usage. In the box, there is a user manual as well as a safety instruction written in different languages. It is a single LED torch with 3 different levels of luminosity. A switch is located at the back, and the light is focusable. It is powered by 3 AAA batteries, also included in the set. A soft case with Velcro gives an opportunity for safe transportation of the torch and attaching it to a belt. Additionally, the set contains 2 O-ring gaskets as well as a strap.